Hey sweet loves, I am Simply Jordan and welcome to this video. Today we are doing the ultra bright neon vibes. Melanin, we just rock bright colors so well, and I wanted to bring it to y'all. So we got this wonderful coral color on the eyes by Myo Makeup. They are amazing. I decided to throw on my bright neon pink top because it's just a vibe. Spring and summer is on the way, so we're just gonna be bright and living our best lives, okay? So let's get into it. I love how this came together, and hopefully you do too. If you do, of course, give me that thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what other looks y'all want to see. February's coming up for Valentine's Day, Black History Month. We got more spring, more summer looks. Tell me what you guys want to see down in the comments, but we're not gonna talk no more. Let's just get into it. Alright, right at the gate, brows are already done. Just priming my eyes with the P. Acid Rain Paint Blank Canvas. And right over top of that is the star of the show, the Myo Makeup Ultra Bright Coral Pigment. Do y'all see how bright this color is? This is just a very, very small eyeshadow, pretty much a detailing brush. And I am packing that color over top of that primer. That primer is perfect for it because it is a light color, so the color will definitely be vibrant. As you can see, I definitely wasn't putting my foundation on first because as you can also see, that pigment is everywhere. And now I'm taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette in the shade Heart On and blending that over top of that to blend that out a little more. It's showing up a little bit more burgundy than it is in the palette, but it is probably because it's mixing with the vibrant color. And then I'm taking a fluffier brush with an orangey shade, I think it was called Feeling Myself, to kind of blend out that top color. And I went back with that small shaded brush to make sure I don't lose the definition. It's not a super cut crease, but I wanted that color to be really, very vibrant. And then I'm taking a eyeshadow just packing brush and the shade Next from that same Jaclyn Hill palette and kind of attempting to blend out that outer corner, but because that vibrant neon color is so bright, you don't see it as much, but it does kind of tame it down a little bit. And for my foundation, this is a Makeup Forever HD foundation in Y513. Now here it does look like it's a bit too warm for me. I did use this color for my summer shade, and actually this time last year I did use the same color, and it matched a little more between this bipolar California weather and wearing masks. You know, skin tones change as the seasons change, but that's totally fine. We're going to make it work. But I do really love this foundation. It is a medium to full coverage, so I built it a little bit, and then I took the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Deep Sand. It's fairly light. I wanted to use a lighter concealer because the foundation looks so warm to kind of help balance that out. So, but once we blend that all out, it'll be fine. And of course, the JUVIA'S Play Shade Stick in KATSINA for my cream contour. I've been loving these shade sticks so much, so I use this for my cream contour. And taking a beauty sponge. This is from the Morphe Lisa Frank collection. Just a really beautiful, soft sponge, damp of course, to blend out that concealer under the eyes and everywhere I put that concealer. And with the Real Technique sculpting brush, I'm just taking that and blending out that cream contour. I like to blend up towards my cheeks and not down. I want to lift my cheeks and not drag them down. I know sometimes I can even get a little heavy-handed, or if I haven't cleaned my brush, it'll look kind of muddy. So what I'm going to do is take my foundation brush and go over that contour to kind of blend that out a little more seamless. And this is just an angled shadow brush to blend out that nose contour. Again, something I have really been loved doing lately. I'm not a big nose contour person for myself, but something about these cream contours really just bring it all together. And to set my concealer, this is the Morphe Bake and Set Powder in Banana Rich. I don't use this one as much, not that I have anything against it. I just don't reach for it that much. It is a slightly deeper yellow setting powder from Morphe. I do like it a lot, and I'm using a smaller sponge. Again, this is from the Lisa Frank sponge set that they released with Morphe, and I like it because it can really get into those inner corners and underneath my eyes. I do crease a little bit, so I really want to set in those inner corners. And here is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Dark. It is a little more yellow than I would usually put on my face, but because my foundation is so warm, I think it definitely helped balance that out a little bit. And so I'm taking that with a big fluffy powder brush and setting my foundation. And of course my Trident 2 bronzer powder in Mahogany from Anastasia Beverly Hills, just going over that to bring back the warmth and definition of my sculpted face is what we're doing here. And that is a brush from the, again, Lisa Frank brush set that she had. And I'm just taking that same brush from my nose contour and blending that out. And with a shadow brush, I'm just taking that same color from my crease and bringing that underneath my waterline and kind of blending out my crease a little bit more to bring a little bit more definition to that. But I'm just going back and forth between my water lash line and my crease. And here is a JLaRue Cosmetics pigment in white gold. This is definitely their most popular pigment, and I see why. But I wanted to just add a little touch of gold into that inner corner to help brighten it up just a little bit. Can we take a second to just really appreciate how bomb these lashes are and how they are just so greatly placed? But anyway, again, another tried and true for me, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip Glow Kit in the color Bronze. Doing the usual, setting and highlighting the high points of my face, cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose, right above my eyebrow. I love a good glow. I need ET in outer space to see me, and so we're going to send that signal out. And for blush, the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette in Dara. This is my tried and true palette for blush. Even though, again, it is an eyeshadow palette, I love these colors for blush. Do you have a favorite blush or highlight? Definitely leave that down in the comments below. I definitely have my few 2 or 3 favorites, but I'm always open to try different products. So leave your favorite color or brand for highlight and blush, or just your favorite brand in general down below, because I'm definitely open to trying some more stuff. So you saw me put on my lower lash mascara. That was a Morphe setting spray, and this is the Juvia's Place lip liner in So Rare. This is such a good just nude color, and these pencils are amazing. They're so smooth, and I'm just lining my lips, filling them in just a little bit to give you a little more definition. I already got big lips, so I don't need to do a whole lot of overdrawing, even though if you do, that's totally fine. And over top of that, I'm using one of my favorite colors, the NYX Cosmetics Butter Gloss in Praline, another just really perfect nudish clear gloss. She is set, she is glowing, and there she is. Do you see what I'm saying? This vibrant neon coral, it's just everything. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really did love making this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Please have fun in 2021. I love you guys so much, and I promise I will see you soon. Bye.